Hello, this is RICKY, the Android guy. Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you why the Galaxy S3 is the easiest phone for a first-time Android user. This is because we now have a mode called Easy Mode on the Galaxy S3. Now, this is due to the newest update for Android 4.1 Jelly Bean. So if you haven't got it yet, try seeing if you can upgrade to it. If you can't, this will be a feature that you will get. Now, the reason why this is so important is because this has made the Galaxy S3 not only the best phone for advanced users, but also the best phone for beginner users. And let me show you. So how you get to this easy mode is by pushing the menu button right here, going to settings, and then going to home screen mode. And there is basic, which is just what we're used to in Android and what everyone normally has when they first use their S3. However, we have now added easy mode, which now adds a great feature for first-time users. So it changes the entire layout of your phone so that it's ideal again for easy first-time users. So for one, you have the clock at the top, and you have these four icons: call, contacts, messaging, and internet at the bottom. You also have your app drawer, which for those of you that are coming from iOS, this is basically iOS. All of your apps in alphabetical order. So it's actually even a little bit easier compared to iOS just because they're in alphabetical order, so you'll always know exactly where they're at. So on your main menu though, you have 3 spots to add your favorite contacts, so the people you contact most. You can just simply add right then and there. If you swipe to the right, you have all of your favorite apps, which for any first-time user for a smartphone, these are the apps and are the reason you got a smartphone. So the camera app, the calendar app, email app, internet app, gallery, and S-Memo for writing notes. As well as the clock, of course. You can also feel free to add another app right here, and when you hit that button, basically it'll go to all of your different apps. So you can add another app that you use most frequently. If you want to get rid of one of these, you can simply actually not the whole thing. You can simply press edit right here at the top right, and then you can press the minus on any of these apps that you want to get rid of, and then you can add your own favorite apps that you normally use. This is also a great tool if you are setting the S3 up for someone for them to know about. So that's another nice feature. If we swipe one more to the right, we have favorite settings. Now this is really good because you can actually see all of the settings that you yourself might want to change if you just got a smartphone for the first time. So ringtones, wallpaper, volume, font, data usage, battery, brightness, all of your accounts. So if you want to sign into Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, Facebook, Twitter, anything like that, that would be right there. And to see all the settings, you would just push that settings button right there. You have one blank page where you can actually add whatever app you want. So if I grab this app right here, I can put it down right here. These are just apps that I can grab and put together. Now, if I wanted to create a folder with these 3 apps, I can highlight one and then create a folder right here at the top. And I can name this folder, test. You can name it whatever you want. If it's a productivity folder, you can name it productivity. If it's a camera folder, name it camera, whatever you want to name it. And then you can actually make the folder with all of the different apps. And there you have it. If you want to delete the folder or delete just one app, you can actually just remove it right here at the top, and then it's removed from the home screen. They are still in your phone. If you want to swipe one more to the right, you can set your alarms right here, and again you have a bottom page you can customize. So these two you can customize, but you know, it's not as overwhelming as regular Android, and then you still have the easy mode. Now, if you went to this by accident, you can always just push the menu button, settings, and then go back to home screen mode and go to normal mode, or sorry, basic mode. Basic mode has not changed from how you originally had it, so it will configure just how you had it before. Alright guys, so that has been easy mode for the Galaxy S3, and it's the best mode for a first-time user for Android. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. This has been RICKY, the Android Guy.